Open your eyes, Rye. What is it?
Pirate ship.
A pirate ship?
A real pirate ship.
Oh my goodness.
She got a scooter and a pirate ship. She's lucky.
What a ham sandwich.
Look at
And look, she gets
that.
to look through a telescope.
Show her how to do it, Lee.
Watch this. Ta-da! Yeah. So I can see anybody in my
So you can see if Captain Hook is coming. Look underneath. Look underneath the steering wheel.
Treasure. Push up and I can't find it.
Show Dad.
Let's look inside it. It can be her jewelry box.
Treasure.
Cool.
Wait, but I already have a pirate jewelry box.
We'll have to find some stuff to put in it.
Like treasure.
Like some gold doubloons.
Yup. Or fishy crackers.
Riley, is it the
No.
best present ever?
My ring.